Hi students, let's explore this new concept here on negative indices. I think, let's see how we can do this. So now let's simplify a to the power 4 divided by a to the power 6 from what we have already learned. So a to the power 4 divided by a to the power 6. I know it's already written here, but let me just rewrite it. So it's a4 minus 6 by law number 2 in our notes. So this is a to the power minus 2. But if we were to write this in rational form, we know that this is also equals to a to the power 4 divided by a to the power 6. Alright, so one is using the law which we have already learned, and also the other one which is using the rational form which we usually write down. And this case here, a to the power 4 divided by 6, if we were to rewrite this, is a times a times a times a over a times a times a times a times a times a. And when we cancel it out, just take note, you will left a 1 on top. Right, this is a 1. So this case here, what we will have is actually 1 over a times a, which is a squared. This a times a here is a squared. So this case will be 1 over a squared. Great. So in other words, a negative 2 will become equals to 1 over a squared. Okay. So this because this is equals to this, so in other words, this will just become this, right? Let me just rewrite this. This is actually equal to 1. Yes. Okay, great. So now, what we can write about this is essentially a to the power of minus negative n will be 1 over a n, right? Just remember that. And a is any real number. It doesn't matter. But a can't be 0. It could be negative 2 or negative 3, okay? So any number would do. So this is how to do this question here. Understand this concept here properly. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next question on how we can apply this concept here.